With a mission of bringing Vietnam to the world and a vision of becoming a world-class multi-industry corporation, Dai Dung Group stands as a national brand and a leading Vietnamese symbol in mechanical engineering, construction, and steel structures, elevating the brand position. To this day, Dai Dung has established its position and become the leading representative of rise of Vietnamese industry. The corporation continues to uphold its five core values: aspiration, professionalism, quality, innovation, and sustainability, creating high-quality products that are exported across the globe with core services including design consultancy, project management, fabrication, erection, and EPC contractor. The group now commands 6 vast manufacturing complexes spanning a total area, boasting a production capacity. Each significant milestone Dai Dung achieved is a testament to its unwavering journey and sales strategies. In 1997, invested in building the Binh Chánh factory. In 2008, invested in building the Long An factory. Invested in building the Central factory. In 2018, invested in building the An Ha factory. In 2024, invested in building the Nghi Sơn factory. Invested in building the Vũng Tàu factory. Notably, Dai Dung possesses a modern machinery system, pioneering the application of Industry 4.0 technology, automatic robots, automatic welding systems, CNC laser cutting, and high-capacity lifting equipment, creating an efficient, precise, and optimized production line.
Sự khác biệt của Dai Dung chúng tôi so với các đơn vị kết cấu thép khác đó là hiện nay chúng tôi đang đầu tư mạnh mẽ vào dây chuyền máy móc thiết bị hiện đại. Ví dụ chúng tôi đã đầu tư máy cắt CNC laser 80 kW có thể xử lý độ dày lên đến 200 mm và máy lốc tấm có thể xử lý độ dày từ 150 cho đến 200 mm. Thêm vào đó chúng tôi đã đầu tư thêm các dây chuyền lắp ráp tổ hợp các cấu kiện có tiết diện lớn như ráp hộp, ráp chữ Y, cấu kiện lên tới 2500 mm. Hơn nữa chúng tôi đã đầu tư vào hệ thống robot hiện đại. Điều này giúp cho năng lực sản xuất của Dai Dung tăng từ 30% lên 50%. Nhờ sự đầu tư đó đã giúp cho chúng tôi đáp ứng các yêu cầu kỹ thuật khắt khe nhất của các thị trường khó tính và đòi hỏi chất lượng cao như thị trường Nhật Bản, thị trường châu Âu, Mỹ và thị trường Trung Đông.
With a guiding principle of prioritizing integrity, Dai Dung Corporation consistently ensures product quality from the raw material stages to the final product, meeting the strict requirement of the domestic market and conquering challenging international market. Dai Dung's quality management process is implemented according to the following certifications. Dai Dung proudly brings together more than 4,000 talented, dedicated employees. In particular, our professional engineering team possesses extensive expertise in their field and continuously innovates to improve process and enhance product quality. The corporation places special emphasis on personnel development through comprehensive training programs. Dai Dung Corporation proudly contributes to the development of steel structure and mechanical engineering industry through many key strategic projects. quality of Dai Dung products had gradually been recognized and affirmed through various awards. Commendation Labor Medal, commendation by the Prime Minister of Government, Top 500 largest private enterprise in Vietnam, Outstanding Entrepreneur Awards of Ho Chi Minh City, Outstanding Enterprise Award of Ho Chi Minh City, the Sao Vàng Đất Việt, Red Star Award, Ho Chi Minh City Gold Brand Award, Excellent Worker Collective Award, Green Business Award. Significantly, Peter Trịnh Tiến Dũng was honored to be voted by Japan Times as one of the top 10 CEOs in Vietnam and ranked among the top 100 CEOs in the Asia-Pacific region. From the very beginning, alongside its business development journey, Dai Dung Corporations had determined that sustainable enterprise development means development for the community as well as environmental and social sustainability. Through programs like Gold Mother and Golden Heart Fund, Dai Dung supports orphans, families with a meritorious service to the nation, and those in difficult circumstances, contributing billions of Vietnam dong annually to ease their burdens. With a solid foundation and spirit's continuous progress, Dai Dung strategic direction toward 2030 aims for a bright future to become a world-class multi-industry corporation and a national brand, a leading symbol of Vietnam in mechanical engineering, construction, and steel structures, elevating the Vietnamese brand's position internationally, a leading strategic partner for design, and erecting within the value chain of top global contractors, companies and projects. Top excellent enterprise in Asia, an open business model, developing adjacent multidisciplinary business units that integrate the values of the mechanical engineering ecosystem. Continue to achieve double-digit growth in the mechanical manufacturing industry. Achieve publicly listed stock status with growth and sustainability value, with the enduring aspiration to elevate the Vietnamese industry to the global level, contributing to the overall prosperity of Vietnam. Dai Dung, rooted in strength, growing in resilience, bringing Vietnam to the world.